Welcome to Module 2 of the Ghostwriting Masterclass, Writing in Someone Else's Voice. This module is the heart of ghostwriting because when clients hire you, they don't want your voice. They want their voice delivered clearly and beautifully through your writing. Module objectives. In this module, you will learn the real technique behind voice matching. By the end, you will know what a writing voice actually is, the 5 components that shape a person's voice, and how to extract voice from messages, videos, and conversation. How to mirror your client voice so perfectly that drafts feel like they wrote the book, and how to create a professional voice profile, and the common mistakes new ghostwriter must avoid. Why voice matters. Okay. The number one reason ghostwriting fails is voice mismatch. Client wants to feel like the book sounds exactly like them. Voice builds trust, emotional connection, authenticity, and identity. When you master the voice, your client will say, "Oh my God, this sounds exactly like me." That's when you have delivered excellence. What is writing? A writing voice is more than vocabulary. It's the unique blend of a person's personality, tone, rhyme, emotions, and the background. It's how they naturally express themselves, both in words and in silence. And what we must capture? Here is the 5 elements of the voice. There are 5 elements that shape every client's writing voice. Okay. The vocabulary, rhyme, tone, emotional level, and the background influence. When you understand these 5, you can write for anyone. CEOs, influencer, mothers, coaches, healers, or professionals. And element 1, a vocabulary. Different people use different vocabulary. Some speak simply like "I was sad." Some are poetic, like "grief passed on my chest like a stone." Some are formal, like "I experience emotional dissonance." Your job is to identify the style they naturally use. Elements number 2, sentence rhyme. Sentence length reveals personality. Short sentence feel confident, direct, and controlled. Long sentences feels emotional, reflective, or dramatic. They, the way someone talks will guide the way you write for them. Elements 3, the tone. Tone changes everything. A motivational coach sounds very different from sarcastic influencer or quiet, reflective memoir writer. Tone is the emotional color of the writing. And elements 4, emotion level. Some clients express emotions openly. Others hide them or simplify them. This is crucial to one person's will say, "I cried for hours," while another say, "I just move on with my day." Both are telling the truth, but with different emotional intensity. Our element 5 is the background influence. Cultural and personal background shape voice in how is the powerful way. For example, Filipinos often tell stories with warmth and humor. CEOs speaks in sharp, strategic, and statement. Influencers speak with drama, energy, and relatability. No two background produce the same voice. Why writers fail at voice? Most new ghostwriters fail because they write using their own style instead of the client. Others over-edit emotions, remove personality, or don't study the client's speech pattern. Voice matching requires discipline. You must disappear so the client personality become the star. Same story, different voices. Let's take one event, a breakup, and see how the voice transform the breakup moment. Okay, the CEO is speak in a strategic, efficient line, like leaving wasn't emotional, it was necessary. This tone shows control, confidence, and logic. Another one example, influencer voice. An influencer uses casual dramatic storytelling. Like, girl, when I left, it felt like a whole rebirth moment. Energy, personality, and entertainment. And here is the other example, me more voice. Just more emotional. Memory writing is emotional and cinematic. As I closed the door, my hands trembled. This voice paint a picture and connect deeply. Here is how to study a client's voice. To match your client's voice, gather samples like voice notes, WhatsApp messages, social media captions, emails, videos, and this data reveals their natural expressions pattern. What to look for? When reviewing client samples, analyze filler words, emotional wordings, sentence starts and ending, rhyme and pauses, repeated phrases. These details shape your voice profile. And building a voice profile. A voice profile is a document where you capture all the voice traits, tone, vocabulary, rhyme, emotional intensity, personality, and speech quirks. This become your writing guide throughout the project. Here is the example of the voice profile. For example, profile for a client named Jane. Tone soft and honest. Rhyme medium. Emotional high. Vocabulary simple. Signature phrases honestly. I learned this the hard way. This way, you can write the entire chapter that sounds exactly like her. And here is the voice mirroring techniques. This techniques is the secret weapon of professional ghostwriter. Here is the voice mirroring example. I just want people to understand my story. A ghostwriting version? All I ever wanted was for someone or anyone to finally hear me. Same message, same emotions, deeper expression. Maintaining consistency. Once the voice locked, you must maintain consistency across all the chapter. All the voice profile to stay aligned. Reread earlier chapter when needed. And always keep your client rhyme and emotions. Tone must be intact. And avoid these mistakes to your ghostwriter project. Avoid injecting your own voice, making everything too formal, changing vocabulary, reducing emotions, and breaking consistency. These small changes can break the illusions and make the writing feel unnatural. Practice this. Rewrite YouTuber monologue in their exact voice. Take one story and rewrite it in 3 styles: a CEO, influencer, and me more. Build a voice profile using your friend, text, or voice notes. This exercise sharpens your ghostwriting instinct. And here is the case study. Here is a real example. A client says, I felt bad. A ghostwriter rewrite, my chest tightened and everything suddenly felt too loud. This shows emotional interpretation, giving depth that matches their style. The summary of this module, you learned what writing voice is, the 5 elements that shapes voice, how to study and extract voice, mirroring, create a voice profile, and voice mastery is the foundation of powerful ghostwriting. For Module 3, we are going to discuss about the most valuable skills in the ghostwriting, the story extraction, and how to pull out every important memory, emotion, turning point, and life lesson from your client. See you in Module 3.